Hello! Welcome to my kitchen with an accent. Caramel is certainly one of the most favorite tastes for many people all around the world. It can be an independent dessert as well as a perfect addition to the pancakes and ice cream, cakes, cookies, or just a cup of tea or coffee. Moreover, we often use the caramel as an ingredient, cooking biscuits, mousses, cakes, and various kinds of fillings. So today we are cooking silky smooth and just delicious homemade caramel. And first of all, let's prepare all ingredients: sugar, water, heavy cream, butter, and salt. Let's get started. Take a medium-sized pot with a thick bottom and add there 85 grams of sugar and 30 grams of water. Place the pot on medium-high heat and wait while sugar melts. Don't mix the caramel at this point in order to avoid crystallization. Just leave it alone. At the same time, bring 100 grams of heavy cream almost to the boil. Once your caramel is a darker golden color and every grain of sugar is melted, remove the pot from heat and pour the heavy cream in while whisking constantly. Due to the big temperature contrast, the caramel will bubble very actively, so add heavy cream slowly in order to avoid burns. Then add 35 grams of butter and stir until melted. And last but not least, add 1 or 2 grams of salt in your caramel in order to balance sweetness and add some piquancy to this awesome sauce. Pour the caramel into a container to cool and store. As you can see, we got about 200 grams of the amazing homemade salted caramel. It's quite liquid now, but leave it in the fridge for some time and you will see how the texture will change. Moreover, you may control the consistency by adding less or more heavy cream. For instance, 45 grams of heavy cream will make the caramel really thick, while by adding 125 grams, you will get very light and liquid sauce. Now look, my caramel was completely cooled and became much thicker. If you need to make it more liquid again, just heat it a little in the microwave. Try to cook this so delicious dessert, and I bet you will be more than just satisfied. Приятного аппетита!